So this is a little tutorial to unlock locks with lockpicks. I bought my tools at www.multipickservice.com. It's in the description too. Okay, all what you need is such a pick set and of course a lock. Then you need this one, a hook, and if you don't have it, this one. But first you must understand how locks work. This is the lock, and this is the key. Inside the lock it's like this. So you come with your tool and push the black pins down, so the white pins can't block the lock anymore. The lock can now rotate freely. To pick the lock, take the tension wrench and put it here. Okay, you have the tension wrench and the hook. You stick the tension wrench right here. Yes, okay. Then you take the hook and rumble in there, and it's open. So again, you take the tension wrench and stick it in there. Then take the hook and press here. You have to, yes, okay, it's open. So, that was my tutorial, and maybe we see us again.